Good morning, back on Sunrise at 6:45 on a Wednesday, and you're going to see a lot of firefighters around downtown Indy this week.
Yeah, they're coming in from all over the world, in fact, to take part in the annual Fire Department Instructors Conference.
That's right. Our Carlos Diaz live at the Convention Center downtown with a closer look at new firefighting technology that can help save lives. Hey, Carlos.
Hey, Ben, yeah, 35,000 firefighters, and yesterday I got a chance to see them in action at one of the hot spots. We're here with Bobby Halton, who with the FDIC. Let's walk and talk. So these hot spots, they're basically ways for guys to get training, as we see in the video.
Hands-on training, that's what HOT stands for. Everything from auto extrication, live fire training, medical training, active shooter training. We do it all.
Yeah, and basically, you're talking how many guys are getting that training this week?
About 35,000. So it's all about education and training with classrooms, workshops, demonstrations. The entire downtown is going to come alive with firefighting for the rest of the week.
Let's talk about technology. This rig is amazing right here.
Yeah, this is a pretty fantastic rig. When you look at that 12-inch intake down there, that's probably 3 or 4 times the size of the average street main that you have on the street. The power behind this truck, it's a super pumper, mostly industrial uses, but the technology is phenomenal.
And that nozzle up there pointed at a house, what would it do to a normal house?
It'd take it down in seconds.
Really? So you have the super pumper here, then this is the special this is a special operations unit right here.
Right, think Ghostbusters. Who are you going to call? You call the fire department. Scaffolding rescue, building collapse, you name it, we come. So you've got your technical rescue ropes, you've got your swift water rescue, you've got stuff for your patients, you've got things to set up for your firefighters, you've got your hazardous materials. This is an amazing rig, and you can also pump water.
$1 billion, over $1 billion of trucks on display starting tomorrow here. The opening ceremony is just in a few hours right here at the Convention Center, and the true heroes are downtown this weekend.
Come join us. We'll be here all week. Lots of street parties all night.
Back to you guys.